Okay, so subcontracting process, we are creating the purchase order. So as a part of that purchase order, I just entered that document type and vendor and payment terms and material and item category and plant and how much quantity and what is the price for the preparation and all. I just entered this one, all this information. Then you can see that there was an error message. So generally this kind of error will get what it is that not possible to determine the component. Why it is coming? Because we didn't maintain a BOM, bill of material, and we didn't maintain a production version. So for that reason, it is coming this error. Okay, if you refer that my video, so how to maintain a bill of materials and how we can get that information, that it is there in the previous video. Okay, so now I'm just manually maintaining that the components list to how much it is required. Okay, so for preparation of the one quantity of 100 and
Question, Ravindra. So we have the dependency on that one?
Sorry?
We have the dependency? Like basically it was showing the error. So
No, it's not error. Okay, it is fine. It is searching for the component because you are doing the
oh, the
subcontracting
component is
process for
missing.
FG product. What components it is required? So if you have created that bill of material and you are maintaining that bill of material, then it will come.
Oh, okay. It will show the message.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to
But
maintain there also. Okay.
here I don't have that. So because of that, system is telling that please enter the components because I didn't
Yeah.
find that automatically. Okay.
Okay.
I
Got
just
it.
entered that. Okay. Clear. Okay. Now I'm just to click on check and let's see if any messages are there. Error message. Okay. And this is warning message because of the messages. Okay. If you, that is output determination. That's okay. Okay. Now I'm just created the purchase order, subcontracting purchase order. Okay. Now this is the subcontracting PO which I created. Okay. So by using this subcontracting PO, what we need to do the next step is we have to issue the components because I need the final product, but I need to issue the components to the subcontractor. Then only he can make, by using this component, he can use that product and he can make that this product. Okay. So I have to provide that the components list. Okay. So I have to provide this component list. So I'm just sending these components to the subcontractor. So let's go to MIGO, Migo transaction code and transfer posting. Select the transfer posting. Okay. Then you can refer the purchase order number because the purchase order number, it has the all the information that what components it is. Okay. So you can just copy these components and enter here. Okay. Then which store location the stock is available. Just check that where it is stock is available, how much stock it is available. So I'm just click on this one, stock overview. Okay. So TR is the store location having that this much of stock. So I'm using this one. Now TR. Okay. And I'm entering that all this information. Okay. What it is needed like material, plant and store location, all this information. You can validate it, how much quantity is required, all these things. Okay. Then I'm just sending this information. I'm just sending this materials to the subcontractor to produce the final product. So check and post. Okay. So now document was posted now. Okay. So if I go to document inflow, okay, I can see that there is no subsequent document found. Even I just issued a stock to the subcontractor, it is going out. Okay, even that because these products are we just sending to the produce the final product. So the ownership is still with the my company only because tomorrow if they're saying that okay, if the out of 10 quantity, if they are using only 9 quantity, I will be getting 1 quantity return, then that is my value to stop, right? So these cases we don't have any accounting entries because these are the just we are transferring the stock to utilize that, to using that product, they can make that final product. Okay, so the ownership is still not changed, so there no accounting impact. So you must understand that 541 moment type. Okay, so 541 moment type, there is no accounting entries. Are you there, Sheila?
Sorry, I was in mute. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So 541 moment type, there is no subsequent, there is no accounting impacts. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'll just going to that now. Let's assume that okay, the 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 subcontractor produced the product. That means the production is completed by using the my product. So by using the my components, okay, he prepared the FG product. Now I'm getting that product. So now I'll be receiving that goods receipt with purchase order. Okay, goods receipt with purchase order. I'm receiving the final product. So let's see. Just enter the PO number. How we are generally doing that 101 moment type and all. We can do that. Okay. So goods receipt, purchase order, and the purchase order number. Then you can see that the final product, how much you ordered, one piece. So that one piece just validated whether you received or not received, and where you want to be receive the stock, in which store location you want to be put that stock. Okay, just mention that, and you can put that. Okay, it is a goods receipt. Sometimes it will be asked, but it is not necessary actually. Okay, so someone they change the setting for the reason for movement, but it is not mandatory for all the cases. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is the again setting, it is OMJJ, they can change that. Okay, so it's okay, that is just field. Okay, so they want to be put something, what is the moment, why you are doing this movement, the reason for movement. So I can just like enter that. Okay, this is the goods movement, we are doing the goods receipt. Can select that. Okay, we are receiving the goods. Okay, so it's okay, it's just like a understanding purpose only. Okay, if
Yeah.
you if you, if you don't need the reason for movement, you can remove that, no problem. Yes, yes, Shaila.
No, I'm good.
Okay, okay. Okay. So now a goods shipment, you can enter that anyone who is there, unloading point, where is the points. If you have the different unloading points are there, you can write that unloading points, and any text you want to be mentioned that. Okay. So all these things. And here if you see that shipping instructions, okay. See, if I maintain shipping instruction in the metal master record, okay, what shipping instruction you maintain, whether the person is, okay, you are evaluating that shipping instruction whether the delivery boy who is maybe the vendor or maybe transport vendor who they are following the shipping instructions or not. Okay. So if they are not follow the shipping instruction, then you can give that, okay, they didn't follow that, I just giving that 0 score. Okay, so this will be helpful to you, the organization in future, when they are doing the vendor evaluation. So if they have the 1,000 vendors, they want to be do the evaluation for the each and every vendor. Shipping instructions is one of the area they are looking into that, whether the vendor is properly following that my shipping instructions or not. Okay, if suppose they are saying that park in the inbound area, if they are parking in the outbound area and they're saying that we will not do, so suppose that is one of the shipping instruction, and properly it should be come in the cartons. If it is not coming with proper cartons, then again that is a they avoid that shipping instruction. So those cases are all we can just mention that, and you can give it that, okay, his instruction followed, then 100 score. Clear? Okay.
Yep. And we'll
So
maintain that one in master data record, right?
yeah, so we are maintaining that in the master data, in the purchasing data. You can see
Yeah.
in the purchasing data there is a purchasing value. There you
Purchase.
consider shipping instruction. Okay.
Yep. Okay.
So and then now we are talking about only FG product. So along with the FG product, now it is impacting that the component also, because now the system is understanding that, okay, this product whatever we just sent the last time, that is completely consumed. So we are not expecting any return back the goods, which is like they consumed already my entire components. So in that case, what you can do, you can see that in the explore this one, then you can see that this is the component. Okay, this is the component which is consumed. So now I'm just telling to the my accounting department, okay, this is consumed, but by using this product, we are getting this product. Okay, so for this, how we can differentiate whether this is the we are getting the stock or whether it is a consumer stock based on the moment type. So you can see 543 O is the consumption, okay, related for components. Okay, so in interview point of view, they will ask about the questions like, okay, uh, 543 how it is work, and 541 how it works, like that they will ask. Okay, what is the difference and all. Okay, so while it is posting in the 543 the accounting impact will be there, because the system will be understanding that, okay, this is the we already consumed, the stock consumed. Okay, so utilization is completed for the stock. By using this stock only, he prepared the FG product. Okay, so now the accounting interest will be impacted for this raw material side, because the components are consumed now. It is not, it's the ownership also, it's completely closed. Okay, because that product is no more, right? It is already used. They are using this product and they are preparing that final product.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is not no more the product. Okay, if I have
Yeah.
the rice, if I'm cooking the um, like by using this food, I'm just making the food by using the rice. Okay, then if I just see that there is no rice, because you already using that rice and you are making the food, then why you are expecting again rice? No, right? So that is consumed. So
Yep.
now check and see now. Now post. Okay, the document is posted.
Yep. So that's the rate means is like already consumed, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
The component is consumed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, because the process is happening in
So
the outside of the my company. The production is happening outside of the my company. So I don't know what production process they are following. So I cannot follow the my entire production process. I can say that okay, the components are consumed because I got a my FG product, right?
yep. That's
Okay.
good. So
So
we can put the conditional statement also there, right? In automatic way, or no, there is nothing way. We can put the conditional statement.
what
Like
condition?
basically, like for example, let me see. No. Okay, I'm just okay. Never mind.
You might be, if you want to be maintain some text and all, you can maintain. The conditions like just information purpose. If you want to maintain that, you can maintain text is and all. Okay,
Yeah, this one is different. No, we cannot use. Okay. Oh, never mind. Thank you.
because depends on the moment types they are understood that whether this is a FG product or not. So now what will be happen? Okay, my components are also consumed, right? So earlier it is showing that stock provided to vendor. Now if I
Yeah.
see that the stock provided to vendor is gone. Okay, so which I provided one quantity, that is gone. Okay, now the stock provided to vendor is gone. Okay, now let's see in the document inflow. So now let's see the FI entries. So generally what I said earlier, how financial accounting entries are impacted. The first, generally if it is a one material, okay, so suppose one material it is there, okay, generally what will be happen, one debit and one credit will come, right?
Yeah.
Correct, one debit and one credit will
One
come.
debit, one credit. Yeah.
Now we have two materials, right? One material is raw material, one is the FG material, right? So one is the consumption material, one is the actual material we are receiving.
Actual material.
Okay. Now this is also one debit and one credit. Okay. Now we also receive the services. That is subcontractors. They are providing services, right? So subcontracting related services again will get two more entries. Okay. So it is again two more entries like debit and credit. Okay, so in this process, if I have the one component, okay, and one FG product, if there is no byproduct, then the entries will come, 6 entries will come. Okay, 2 for FG product, 2 for
Two
raw material, and 2 for services.
services. Okay. 6. Yeah.
Okay, so totally 6 entries will come. Okay, so when it is increasing, suppose when there is a two components, okay, then here it will be get two components, then two debit and two credit, then it
Two
is a
credit
count
is a
of
4.
4. Okay. So like how many materials it is increasing, based on that it will be increase the count. Okay.
Count. Yep.
Then other than that, if there is any byproduct it is there, byproducts also you will get the additionally two entries, debit and credit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now understand that one material. Okay. So which is I am getting the stock, so my inventory account is updated basics, which is inventory
Basics.
account. Okay, and at a time the component, one more component which is like raw material, okay, which is also reducing from my inventory because it is consumed, right? The product is consumed completely, so it's gone from my store completely, right? It's gone
Yeah.
completely on my account. Okay, so two BSX will come. Okay, and one is for the WRX. Okay, and since you are doing the GBP consumption, GBP will come. Okay, other than that, services related, you can get special BSV and FRL. Okay, so these are the entries will come. Let's see how it will be. So now you can see that there is two accounting documents. There is segregated that each and every process. So first I will go in the top. Okay, then you can see that this is the raw material related. Okay, so BSX and GBP. Okay, one is
Yeah.
one is the inventory account down and one is GBP account consumption.
Consumed. Yeah.
Then I will go for the FG. Okay, then you can see that there is a 4. One is for the FG product. Okay, for that I need to clear the invoice, GRAR clearing account, WRX will come, right? So that is what I just said, right? WRX will come.
Yeah.
So it is a common process, BSX and WRX. And other than that, we will be getting the cost on goods sold and purchase
Purchase.
that is externally. Okay.
Yeah.
So you need to remember these transaction inventory.
This for yeah.
One is because one is debit, one is credit, and you can see here it is a debit and it is credit. Okay, if I go in the top, okay, you can see here it is the credit because one is positive, one is negative, right? Because one is I'm getting the stock, one is I'm losing the stock because my components are consumed. So it is my in my store location that stock it's not there, no more, right?
No. Yeah.
So plus and
Yep.
minus that you need to be debit and credit you have to be uploaded. Okay, clear?
Yep.
Okay. So if you want to be picturized that how you want to be go here, the first thing is BSX for component. Okay, so that is gone. So that is gone. That is great. Then respect to that, okay, the consumption which is the for component that is the debit. Okay, let's see first. First we'll go. This is the epic credit and it is a debit consumption. Okay, consumption is debit. Now, then this is the for raw material. Okay, then
Yeah.
I'll go for the BSX for FG. Okay, then it is a debit because I'm getting the plus, right? So I'm getting the stock. Then I need to be clear the GRIR clearing account. That should be WRX. Okay, that is service like. Okay, we need to pay that whatever it is, like it is great.
So
And other
credit. Yeah.
for FRL and BSP. Okay, cost and goods sold. Okay, cost and goods sold will be debit. Okay, so cost and
Cost.
credit. Okay, this is the credit. Then it is the FRL is the freight charges will be debit.
Debit. Yeah.
Okay, it's like a purchase services. Okay, so which amount you are paying now? 1 rupee because the charges is only for we are paying for 1 rupee because he is saying that to prepare this one €1 it is taking the amount. Okay, you can see that in the purchase order. Okay, you can see in the purchase order the amount which is we are saying that one USD. Okay,
Yep.
clear? So this amount we are paying. This is not actual cost of the FG product. This is the cost of for charges. What is the preparation of charges? Okay,
Yep.
clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so FRV is the cost on goods sold, cost of goods sold. Okay, and this is for purchase services. And this is for GRIR clearing account. Okay, then this is the inventory account. Inventory account. And this is the BSX is inventory account. And GBB is consumption account. So why it is required? This why we need this GBB and all GBB, BSX, WRX. Why it is required? Because the based on this one, respect to GL accounts, the stock will be posted. If you see that here, the stock will be posted. I just go to FI documents. So the respect to GL account, it is mapped. So here 606 is the one GL account, 4000201 GL account, like it is posted. So based on that, the finance team will understood that okay, there is a debit, there is a credit, and there is a posting pending in the GRIR clearing account. So tomorrow they will check that is there any pending from the GRIR, if it is not nullified or not nullified. So that they will check that. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So now the GR which is we received a stock, so I can see that stock which is received or not in my MMB. You can see I received my stock. Okay, the FG product which is received. Now I need to do the MIRO. That means invoice. We have to clear the invoice because we are received the services, right? For that we need to pay the amount. So I'm just taking the all the information. Okay, then I'll just enter. And €1, so I'm just paying that €1. Okay, clear? So like you will be posting the amount. You are paying the amount. Now the payment is done. The payment is done. You can see the payment. Now the GRIR clearing account is done. It's cleared now. We need to pay the amount to the vendor.
Yeah.
So from MM point of view, my GRIR clearing is done. Cleared it is. Before that it is credit. Earlier it is the credit. GRIR. Okay. Now it is the debit. That is nullified. So there is no balance here for this purchase order. Clear?
Yep.
So this is the way we'll just do the subcontracting process. Okay. And if there is any byproduct it is there, then we will be getting the other moment type, which is like 545 O. 545 O. 545 O is for what is this? 545 O. It is for the byproduct. Okay. And there is a subsequent adjustment. Okay. So what is the subsequent adjustment? If suppose there is excess or shortage, there is any excess or shortage is there. Okay, that means suppose my vendor says that okay, there is a shortage, it is there, or some excess is there. So what you can adjust that. So what it is, shortage or excess? It is on components. So initially he said that one component is enough, but after he used that the component is not enough, he said that extra one more component is required to produce the FG product. Okay. Suppose he is making the food for the 10 people. So he said that initially 2 kgs of rice is enough. Okay. So by using 2 kgs of rice, he is preparing. But now there are 10 members. Now there is a shortage is there. So he is requesting that. So it is not enough. Please send me one more kg of rice. So that one more kg of the rice is excess quantity, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose I have the 2 kg and he used only 1.5 kg. So that is enough for the 10 members. Now 500 grams still it is available that he is returned back.
Yeah.
Right? So
Yes,
excess quantity and shortage quantity. Okay. There
Yeah.
is a shortage is there, then I have to send first option. And if it is excess is there, then they will be sending back. Okay.
Yeah.
So that how we can do by using the subsequent
And
adjustment.
what did you use? Like how you'll get this screen?
See here, you can see that subsequent adjustment. MIGO, go to
MIG. Okay.
subsequent adjustment, enter the purchase
Yeah.
order.
Okay. Got it. MIG.
So here you can just say that okay, just a small correction. Excess is nothing but like you have the extra quality, and shortage is that product is not enough. He needs some more quantity. Okay, okay. You can see the subsequent adjustment and how much quantity it is like. You just need to be entered that subsequent adjustment and all. Okay, what product, how much it is like. You need to be entered that. Okay, clear?
Yep.
You can see that here. Based on this only, the system will be triggering that the movement type and that detail. And if it is under consumption, you can write short receipt. In case if
Short
it is
receipt.
so based on this checkbox only, whether debit or credit will be updated.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm just putting that to sort. Okay, then I can just check this one. Okay, clear? So because I already received FG, okay, we should do before FG, but I'm just showing that how to do that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the way we'll do that. So now shortage is there, so I'm just sending that one product. Okay, so that common component which is updated. Okay, clear?
Yep.
So this is the way we can do it.
Yeah.
Now it's
Yeah.
this is I'm just entering the shortage because excess quantity. Even I send only one product, right? If I'm just asking that is one product is excess quantity, then how it is making the FG product. So that's why I just putting like shortage. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Uh, so this is the way we can do for excess quantity and shortage quantity also. Okay. Clear? You can see that the checkbox and
Yeah.
all. The checkbox will be there. Okay. If it is not
Yeah.
short receipt or something, you can remove this uncheckbox. So any questions here? So
No,
this is the
I'm done.
process for this one. This is the process for a subcontracting process. So now
Subcontracting.
try to understand that first what we did. Okay. So the first one is bill of material we created. Bill of material we have created, correct? So bill of material, why we created bill of material? Because we just mentioning that what components it is required. Correct or wrong? Okay. So for FG product, what components it is required. So I'm just maintaining that combinations of components for FG product, for final product. Okay, it may be FG product or it may be semi-finished goods, whatever it may be. Okay, it might be using. So that bill of material we have created first. Then the second one is I just created the production version. Okay, the production version which I created in the material master record, and I assigned the above alternative BOM. Alternative BOM usage I just use. Okay, you can see in the bill of material when you creating alternative BOM number will be created. That alternative BOM number you are assigning in the production version. Then third, we just created the purchasing info record. Okay, the purchasing info record you created, and for info category, info type, info category is subcontract, right? Then purchase info record is created. Then also I just assign the production version here, because if I have the 10 number of components combinations, then which combination I need to pick it up based on the production version alternative BOM which I assign, it will be picking up. Okay, system will understood that okay, this is the one combination, this is the two combination. Suppose let's say I need product A. So product A which I need product B. Okay, so one quantity. Then product C which I need one quantity. So this is the one combination. Now I can make the product A again with a different combination, like instead of I'm using the product B, I can use the product C one quantity plus product Z I'm using one quantity, some other product. So I can make the product by different combinations. Suppose let's say if I'm using the sunflower oil, instead of sunflower oil I'm using the olive oil. Instead of olive oil I'm using that brown oil. So rice bran oil. So like different combinations you can use to make the final product. Okay. So in this case how it will be works. This is the one alternative BOM and alternative BOM 2. So you just need to be tell that in the subcontracting process whether you are following this combination or this combination. Okay, is that alternative BOM usage you are assigning here, that you are assigning the purchasing record. Okay, then the process will start. Subcontracting process will start. So you can create a purchase requisition if you require, or you can create directly subcontracting PO. Wait, item category L, and you can see the components list here. components list in master data, material data tab in the item level. Okay. Okay. Now once I created subcontracting PO, so since I need to be issue the product B and product C to the customer, so subcontractor, because they want to make the product A by using this product. So now what they will do? They will be they are expecting that product B and product C. The vendor is expecting when I will get the product B and product C, then I can make the product A. So my company is transferring the stock, the components to subcontractor by using the moment type is moment type 541. Okay, 541. So since it is just transferring the stock and it is not ownership is not changed and it is not consumed still. Okay, still it is my own stock, so no impact in the accounting. Okay, then I'll be go for the third step 3. Once I just send these components to the subcontractor, so let's assume that he's using these components, whatever I just send the component B and the component C. By using this one, he prepared the product A. Then FG product is ready, and I'm just receiving that product. So the third step is goods receipt with purchase order. Okay, and here you can see that the moment type is 101 for FG product. Okay, then typo products are system will understood that okay, you are receiving the final product. That means assuming that, so it's confirmed that the components are consumed. They are consumed, the products. So when the products are consumed, the system will be triggering that 543O moment type and saying that okay, the products are consumed. Okay, products are consumed. So the 543O is for the components consumption. Okay, and 101 is the FG product. And if there is any byproduct is there 545O. Okay, this is the product we are receiving, which is a byproduct. Okay, extra product. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
If there is any adjustment which is required, subsequent adjustment you can do. Subsequent adjustment you can do 101 moment type. Okay, so either maybe you can do sort or you can do excess. Okay.
Yep.
So this is the process of subcontracting process. Okay, and after that we are paying that amount to the invoice. So the invoice verification for charges, subcontracting charges, job work, whatever it is like, is the charges only. Okay, then payment. So this is the entire process of subcontracting. Any questions here?
No.
Okay. Okay. So please prepare the please do the practice. Okay. Don't skip the practice.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And at least start with that what we are doing practice, at least use the servers and to at least start with the day by day to spend some 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's
entire question mark, please. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. I think, yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.